Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to easily transform any photo into a stunning self-portrait using an app called DreamFace. It's quick, super fun, and the best part you can do it all for free. So let's get started. First, if you don't already have DreamFace app, just head over to Google Play Store and then download it. And once installed, just open the app and then log in with your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace will give you free weekly credits so you can try out cool filters without spending a cent. Now from the home page like this, just tap on AI filter and then you will see a lot of creative filter options on here. But today we're focusing on the self-portrait filter. On the new default section, just choose self-portrait, this one. And next, just choose your photo that you want to transform. You can use a selfie or a portrait shot or even an old photo. DreamFace will work its magics. And once you have picked your picture or your photo, just hit animate. And okay, like this, after generation finish, you will see your brand new self-portrait on screen like this. And then if you like it, just tap on download to save your generate your results to your device, and then just feel free to share it on your social media. And okay, that's it. You have just turned a regular photo into a unique self-portrait with DreamFace in just a few steps. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.